GoHighLevel now has 2 ways to automate your business, and people mix them up constantly. There's Workflows, which has been around for a while, and then there's Agent Studio, which is the newer AI agent builder. They sound like they're overlapping, so folks either pick the wrong one for the job or get overwhelmed and don't use either. So by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what each one is for, how to choose, and how they actually work better together. So let's go ahead and clear it up. What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley, and on this channel, we make GoHighLevel make sense. This one trips up a lot of people, but once you see the real difference, it's genuinely really simple. So let's go ahead and break it down. Here's the 1-sentence version to anchor everything. Workflows follow rules you set. Agent Studio makes decisions on its own. A workflow does exactly what you tell it step by step, the same way every time. An agent in Agent Studio can look at a situation, think about it, and decide what to do. Hold on to that difference because every other piece of this comes back to that. Let's start with workflows because most of you have already used them. A workflow in GoHighLevel is an if this, then that machine. Something happens, that's the trigger, and then it runs a series of actions that you've laid out. A new lead fills out a form, so the workflow sends a welcome text, waits an hour, sends an email, and adds a task for your team. It does that exact sequence every single time perfectly without thinking because it's not supposed to think. That's the strength of a workflow. It's reliable and predictable. When you have a process that should happen the same way over and over, a workflow is exactly what you want. Booking confirmations, appointment reminders, payment follow-ups, lead routing, all of this is workflow territory because there's a clear set of steps and no judgment required. But here's where a workflow can hit a wall. They can't handle anything that needs a decision. A workflow can't read a messy message from a customer and figure out what they actually want. It can't look at a lead's replies and decide whether they're ready to buy or just curious. It does what it's told, and the second the situation needs real interpretation, a plain workflow is stuck. That's the gap Agent Studio fills. So now let's talk about Agent Studio. This is GoHighLevel's builder for AI agents, and an agent is different from a workflow in a massive way. An agent can reason. You can give it a goal, some instructions, access to knowledge like your business information, and a set of tools it's allowed to use, and then it figures out how to get the job done. It can read an unpredictable, messy input from a real human, understand it, decide what to do, take several steps, and produce an actual result. So instead of a rigid set of steps, you've got something closer to a smart assistant that you've trained and pointed at a task. Now let me make this even more concrete with examples because this is where it'll really click for you. Let's just say a lead sends a long rambling message with 3 questions buried in it. A workflow can't make sense of that, but an agent can read it, pull out 3 questions, answer each one, and decide whether to offer a booking. Or say you want to qualify leads. A workflow can only check simple boxes. An agent can actually weigh what someone said, decide how good of a fit they are, and sort them accordingly. Summarizing a long conversation, generating a custom response, making a judgment call on unstructured information, that's all Agent Studio. Stick around with me because in a minute, I'm going to show you how these 2 work together, and that combo is where the real power is, not in picking one over the other. And if you want to try both of these out for yourself, we actually do have an exclusive link down below where you can get an extended 30-day free trial. The real truth is that the fastest way to feel the difference between a workflow and an agent is to build a simple one of each and watch how they actually behave. The free trial lets you do that before you spend a dime, and again, that link is down below. Okay, now here's the part that changes how you think about this whole thing. Agent Studio and workflows are not really competitors. They work together. GoHighLevel has workflow action called Invoke Agent Studio Agent, and it does exactly what it sounds like. Right in the middle of a workflow, you can hand the situation over to an AI agent, let the agent think and produce a result, and then continue the workflow based on what the agent decides. So you get the best of both. The workflow handles the reliable, structured part, the timing, the sending, and the moving people through stages, and at the exact moment you need a decision, it taps the agent on the shoulder, gets an answer, and keeps going. Picture it like this. A lead replies to a campaign. Your workflow catches that reply, which is the reliable trigger. Then it invokes an agent to read the reply and decide if the person is interested or confused or just asking to opt out. The agent makes the call. Then the workflow takes over again and routes the lead the right way based on what the agent decided. The structure comes from the workflow, the judgment comes from the agent, and together they handle something neither could do alone. Here's another example that really shows it off. Say you run a workflow every time a long sales call gets logged. The workflow fires on schedule, that's the reliable part, but you want a clear summary of what was said and a decision on how hot the lead is. A plain workflow can't read a transcript and judge that. So the workflow invokes an agent, and the agent reads the whole conversation, writes a short summary, and scores the lead as hot, warm, or cold. Then the workflow takes the score and does something predictable with it, like assigning a hot lead straight to your best closer and dropping a cold one one into a long-term nurture. The agent did the thinking, the workflow did the moving, and you got a result that would have taken a person 15 minutes done in seconds. So how do you choose? Here's a really simple rule. If the task is the same every single time and follows clear steps, use a workflow. If the task needs someone to read, understand, and decide, use an agent. And if the task is mostly structured but has one spot in the middle that needs a judgment call, use a workflow and invoke an agent for that one step. Don't overthink it. Most of your automation is still going to be workflows because most business processes are repeatable. You reach for Agent Studio when you hit something that needs a brain, and increasingly you'll combine them. Now let me steer you around some of the common mistakes. The first one is reaching for an AI agent for everything. If a plain workflow can do the job, use the workflow because it's simpler, cheaper, and more predictable. Agents are for when you actually need reasoning, not for tasks a rule can handle. The second mistake is the opposite, forcing a workflow to do something that it can't, then getting frustrated when it can't read a messy message or make a decision. That's your signal to bring in an agent. The third is not training your agent well. Just like any other AI tools, an agent is only as good as the instructions, the knowledge, and the tools that you actually give it. So set it up carefully and test it before you trust it with real customers. Okay, now before we wrap up, I just wanted to quickly touch on the plans and pricing options. Like I said, with our link, you can get an extended 30-day free trial. But after that, there's the starter, the unlimited, and the agency pro. You can save a little bit if you pay annually. So the starter plan is $97 per month. And with this, you get unlimited users, unlimited contacts, all core features, and then just 3 sub accounts. Then they have the unlimited plan, which is $297 per month. You get everything in the starter plan, plus unlimited sub accounts, rebill phone and email, and basic API access. Then is the agency pro, which is $497 per month. You get everything in the unlimited, but you get SaaS mode, auto sub account creation, rebill phone and email with markup, advanced API, and more. So again, depending on where you're at in business, depends on what you're actually going to need. So let's put this all together. Workflows follow the rules you set and run the same way every single time, which makes them perfect for predictable, repeatable processes like reminders, confirmation, and routing. Agent Studio builds AI agents that reason, decide, and take multi-step action, which makes them right for messy input and tasks that need judgment. You use workflows for structure and agents for decisions, and you connect them with the invoke action so your automation can think exactly when it needs to and stay reliable everywhere else. Once you see it this way, you stop guessing and start building the right thing for each job. If you want to try them both out, don't forget to use our exclusive link down in the description below. I do want to mention that these are affiliate links, which means we may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you do choose to use our links, we just want to thank you so much in advance for supporting our channel. It really helps us to continue to create free content just like this. And if this finally made these two click, hit the like and subscribe button for more GoHighLevel walkthroughs that keep it simple. That wraps up this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.